Hello little ones, today we're going to learn a sound in Afrikaans. F. Now repeat the sound after me. F. 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 Fiets. Now repeat after me. Fiets. Fiets. That means bicycle. Now repeat after me. Flits. 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 Yes, that is a flashlight. Now repeat after me. Vlees. 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 Yes, that is a jug, or it can be a flask. Baie mooi maatjies, kom ons lees die woorde wat ons geleer het. Let us read the words that we have learned. Now repeat each word after me. Fiets. Flits. Vlees. Well done everybody. Maats, ons gaan nou 'n speletjie speel. We are going to play a game. I'm going to show you a few letters of the alphabet and you're going to look for the f klankies. Kyk hoeveel f klanke is daar. Well done. Mooi maats. Ja, daar is 2. Kom ons tel dit. 1 2. Baie mooi maats. Well done everybody. Ek gaan nou vir jou 'n paar letters van die alfabet wys. I'm going to show you a few letters of the alphabet. En jy gaan vir my net die f klankie wys. You are only going to show the sound that you've learned. F. Are you ready? Let us see if you can find this sound. F. What I want you to do is you are going to point with your left arm if it's on the left and with your right arm if it is on the right. Here we go. Ja, f. Now let us see if you can find the next f. You are doing a great job. Well done. I'm going to go faster now. Mooi so, maats. Waar is die f? Well done. Mooi maats, julle doen goed. Jy's reg. Jy's reg. Baie mooi, well done. Maats, kom ons leer nog 'n paar woordjies. Fontein. Fontein. Foon. Foon. Foto. Foto. Fluit. Fluit. Yes, that is to whistle. Family. Family. Fear. Fear. Yes, look at the little fairy. Well done everybody, baie mooi maats. Julle het goed gedoen. Kom ons lees nou die woorde weer. Now read each word again after me. Flits. Fiets. Vlees. Fluit. Fear. Foon. Familie. Fontein. Maats, kyk nou of jy hierdie woorde op jou eie kan lees. Volgende keer gaan ons nog 'n Afrikaanse klankie leer. Well done everybody. Next time we are going to learn a new sound in Afrikaans. And please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time guys, have a blessed day. Please be safe and listen to your parents and your teacher.